If your LG front-load washer is not starting, displaying error codes, or failing to complete cycles, the main control could be the culprit. I'm William, AppliancePartsPros.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front load washer by unplugging it or turning the breaker off. We're grabbing our phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 screws securing the top panel. Now the top panel can be moved back and lifted up to be set to the side. Next, grab a flathead screwdriver and release the mounting tabs on the main control cover. Lift the cover off and set it aside. We're plugging the power cord in for live voltage testing. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. We're locating the 6-pin gray connector with a white wire, blue wire, and sky blue wire at pins 1, 2, and 3. Grabbing our meter and setting it to volts DC, we're testing from the blue wire to the sky blue wire, then from the blue wire to the white wire. We're pressing the power button, then spin speed, and pressing start. Our meter should read pulsing 26 volts DC shortly after the doors lock. If voltage is not present within a minute, the main control has failed. If voltage is present, something else is causing the washer to not drain. If you'd like a quick review about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Let me show you how to replace it. Remove the phillips screw at the front top of the main control. Now we're going to lift the control locking tab away from the side panel and slide the main control towards the center of the washer. Then pull it away from the side panel. This would be a good time to take a picture of the connections before removing them. It helps with reassembly. We're disconnecting the wires from the main control. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're inserting the wires into the main control, connecting the main control cover, then sliding it into place on the side panel. Secure the main control with the phillips screw that was removed. We're grabbing the top panel and sliding it into place, securing it with the screws we removed at the beginning. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Great job tackling your LG front load washer repair. We'd love to hear about your experience. Feel free to share your repair story in the comments below. And if you still need a new main control, remember you can order the right part by heading over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your washer's model number. Most orders arrive in just a few days, so your appliance will be back up and running in no time. Thanks for choosing AppliancePartsPros.com as your trusted repair partner, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.